Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a little quick, easy trick to make one of the best Keurig coffee. It's very simple, but it kind of enhances the flavor, I would say, at least 5 times. So what you do, start off with, of course, your cream. I like a little creamy, so I'm going to add a little bit more. You can go by your flavor. And you can pick which one. I'm gonna go with Starbucks Verona today. Come on, let's see. We got it. So on Frank's, this one we're gonna do a setting. All right. You want to do 4 ounces right there and hit the strong. So the trick is that I think really enhance the flavor. Just put it right there in the microwave and put it in there for 15 seconds or until it boils. I kind of keep an eye on it. I'm pretty sure you can see in the video until it starts to boil. Alright, let's see. Nope, it hasn't boiled yet, so I'm going to put 10 more seconds. I want to see bubbles, when you start seeing bubbles. Yeah, I see bubbles coming up now. There you go. So you see bubbles. And you already got the setting right here, 4 ounces, strong setting, and click on it. It usually takes about 30 seconds. There you go. You can make a strong store-bought coffee at home. Alright, you can just see by the look, it's kind of like a creamy and bubbly. Alright, bon appetit. If you like this video, let me know. I don't make a lot of videos, so I'm not here to get likes or subscribes. Just ideas. If you have any other ideas how to make better coffee. Thank you very much for watching.